Today I'm going to show you how to make Char Keow Teow. Char Keow Teow, that means it's plain rice noodle. Yes, I got my ingredient. I have some of plain rice noodle here. Then I am been cutting like small pieces now. And here I have some veggie. I have some bean sprout and chives and a little bit of carrot. I am cut into the julienne strip. And a little bit of Chinese green leaf. And here is I have some sausage and some prawn and one egg and some garlic. This meat is your choice. You just go with egg, no need meat, or you can also fry with like pork, chicken, or beef is your choice. So this is what I got in the fridge. So I'm going to cook what I have. And here is my sauce. This is my sauce I got. I got in my bowl here is 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of thick soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and to give a bit like a bit salty and sweet. So here is I have 1 teaspoon of white sugar, that to make it a little bit of sweet taste. So I'm going to put all my sauce in one of the bowl. Okay. To bring it together and all into here and make it well together like that. So now I make it well, and this is the last one is cooking oil. So now let it start cooking. So now here's my wok, and I'm going to turn in high heat, and I'm going to put my cooking oils like around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. This is need a little more oil to cook it. And I'm going to put the garlic inside here to my wok. And give it a stir. I'm going to brown a little bit of my garlic first. My garlic start a little bit smelling, so I'm going to put my prawn in here and give a stir, and also add my sausages. Give like 1 minute stirring. My prawn turning color a bit red, a bit brown now. I'm going to put my plain noodle in here. To mix well with the oil and with my sausages and my prawn. Stir it and cook it through a bit soft and roll it soft. Maybe like stir fry the noodle maybe like a couple minutes. Soft and that's better. You don't want it crunchy and hard, it's not so nice. So now my noodle will get a bit soft. So now I'm going to add my sauce that I will show you. I'm going to add all my sauce. To give a good mix with it. I need to let also thicken the sauce up. Let's stir well with the sauce and let it good smell like good sauce coming out. And then I'm going to put all my veggies here. Give a good mix it by mixing everything. And then I make a flash in the center. To break my egg, put inside there. Scramble the egg with all my veggie and my noodle. And give a good mix one more time. And that's it. So now I'm going to turn off my flame, and my noodle is done. So here is my char keow teow ready, my keow teow, and here's look like. And this is very good for lunch, and very easy and very simple and delicious. So I hope you enjoy my video and see you again soon. Bye.